example of an email that we sent out as proof. In here, I included a screenshot of from Graham English talking about how he was getting back $6 for every $1 that he put into his funnel using the six-figure funnel formula, right? And this is, we've been using this intensification sequence for years now. So this is, I don't even know how many years old, 4 years old, something like that. This is another example of this is a newer email from I think this is from the email sequence that promotes from the intensification sequence within the E5 camp, right? And so it tells a story. Ed had a product that he struggled to sell for almost a year. So he decided enough was enough and he went through the E5 camp masterclass. And just 13 days after learning the E5 camp method, sent me this message on Facebook. His very first marketing campaign using the E5 camp method, and he generated over $58,000 in recurring monthly income. So cool, right? And then it goes on to plug the offer. Simple, right? But you're offering proof, a proof point via a story.